Benson from Bicycle House in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm going to show you how to get rust off of your bicycle sprockets. The first thing you want to have is something that will scratch or rub off the rust. But first you want to start with penetrating oil like this liquid wrench or a WD-40 type product. Spray it on the rust of whatever you're trying to get off, and then let it set for a moment. Scrub it off using the brush. Hopefully it's not a metal that's too soft. You might want to be careful not to use something quite this stiff and abrasive. If it is, then you can use a Scotch-Brite and the penetrating oil to remove the rust and remove it completely from the part or the sprocket that you're working on. I'm John Benson from Bicycle House in Scottsdale, Arizona, and that's how you remove rust from a steel sprocket or any other steel part on your bicycle.